This is the top that I told y'all I got. That was $1.78 or something like that. Y'all, this was the throwaway for the video, so don't worry about what's going on up here. Okay, focus on this area. Okay, okay. This is a size large. It's called the Valentina tube top. Y'all, and yes, I do have a strapless bra. I don't really want to show y'all the back because I didn't have nobody to help me pull this bra part up. And you know, you be trying to cover up that little chunk right there. I don't have no way to cover up the chunk. You see, I just looked up and I can see the ring light and the TV. Hopefully it's not too bad because I'm facing like the window. Y'all, let me see. Is that better? Anyway, it's the Valentina tube top, okay? It's real simple. Real simple. Blue, the zipper does work. It does work. So when you unzip it, it comes all the way off. And I just paired it with some jeans just to get the look. It's, you know, obviously this is blue. Oh, did y'all hear me say it's size large? Yeah, don't do that. Don't think just because it's cheap you can get the size down from, no. Don't be like me. Be better than me, okay? But it's not too bad. It sucks. It's cheap material. You can see right through it. Literally, like, it does have a little bit of stretch, which is why I was able to get the large, but it's not the best quality. Like I told y'all last time, when it comes in that little plastic bag, that trash bag, it's gonna be trash. And I didn't get this. I got this in the trash bag. I didn't get it in one of the little Ziploc bags. So, y'all, this light is so bright. Please forgive me because my eyes are like, and I look crazy. But this is it right here that I have on. Now, look how I look on her and look how I look on me. Hers is baggy, and they try to say that hers, like, if they try to say she's a medium, she definitely got a large or extra large because, yeah, I can't focus on this light. And then this wig is clear. This video gonna be quick. I'm going on to the next thing. Now, this one came in a good bag. And when I say a good bag, I mean a good bag. I mean the zip and the lock type of bag. This material is fire. When I say fire, okay? I've always wanted to put something brown on. I'm not a brown, I don't wear brown like that. But I was like, let me try it because it's fall. It's still a little warm. Let me get something brown. Y'all feel like this wig just sliding all over the place because it just don't want to stay on my head. But no, this right here is comfortable. It's soft. It is halter. Like, it is definitely halter. But this is called the, one second, Scarlet Stripe Collar Top. I got this in a 1X. Y'all, this is so cute. Like, I like the way this look on me. I like the way this feel on me. It's really, really cute. And I don't know what's going on with this collar thing because I got that peach dress in the last video. I thought I had a collar. And I don't normally do collars, but I'm liking this. This is so cute, y'all. This is so cute. Like, this is something you wear to a brunch or like just y'all about to go to the park and walk around. You about to hang out with the girls, have a little sippy sip. This is something, this is this type of outfit. And I feel like she's sitting. Y'all, this wig is giving me, what's it called? Like, I might as well just pull it down here and keep it going because y'all, this wig is giving us about to slide off. Like, when I tell y'all, I didn't even try to put this wig on. I didn't brush it out. I didn't do nothing. I just threw it on so I could do this video right quick. And it looked, ooh, not. Now, this what happens when you don't suck in, baby. But when I say I threw it on, I just threw it on. And now I'm looking crazy. But it's okay. I try to put it in a ponytail, everything, but you know, stuff don't be cooperating when you be trying to move fast. Because if I could have done it in a ponytail, it would have been so much better. But this is a very cute, very comfortable. This is good quality. This is some of Fashion Nova good quality stuff. Even the little straps like these This this what they gave you on this shirt. This right here, this thick plastic that can almost be worn as a strap, is what they gave you on this shirt. Like, come on. Y'all could have at least pretended like y'all like y'all was selling that stuff for dirt cheap. And I want to say this shirt was $3, $4. It was on sale, okay? I buy the sale stuff because I know I'm going to keep it. You know, you can't return for store credit when you really want to keep it. But I definitely like this. It's very comfortable. It's very classy. It's giving cute. It's giving me, and it's giving brown around the town, okay? I really, really like this. This is popping. This is popping, 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 popping. Maybe on my that next, because it's now y'all. Fashion only play too much. I don't even remember what this was called. Halt or something. Okay. This I got in the 1X. But when I tell y'all, on the picture, I think hers closed up to about here. But when I'm telling you this gapping at the top, and if you got some tick-old bitties, baby, you're not going to be able to wear this. It goes all the way to the floor. Like when I say it's giving cute, it's giving train, it's giving fashion, it's giving cute. But it's also giving, find somebody who can sew, so you can sew down the middle and leave out just like the little belly button area. And then just let it hang, or just sew it all the way up. Thing about this though that makes it hard is it's a halter. So it's halter around here. So it's too big if I tie it loose around here. And then you tie it up, sorry y'all, but you tie it up around the neck. So I try to tie it looser, but I feel like everything is falling out when I tie it looser. So it could cover more, but no. It's very cute. I'm not serious. If you tie it too loose, gapping. If you tie it too tight, too much of an opening. Like some people are very comfortable wearing their whole titty out. I don't want my whole titty out, okay? I want my titty covered up. Judge me if you want to. I don't care. But I did not feel like taking these jeans off to put this on and then have this all up in my behind. So this is the squared up, simple. We got another mustard. Mustard. We got a mustard. We got a mustard. I don't know, somebody yellow. Nah, but it's a regular thong bodysuit. I'm not even gonna turn around so y'all can see the back because y'all know what a thong bodysuit looks like. But it's spaghetti strap, square at the top. Ooh, here it is right here, the right way. Because I'm not jeans tight, buckling, all that. I'm not doing it today. Your girl tired, but she trying to put this video out, give y'all as much energy as she can. Energy. I'm trying to give y'all that energy. Give me that energy that's y'all. My baby got this hat. I'm in my daughter room. Look at this. I'm talking fly guy. What? You wish you could be like me, but you can't. I'm fly, yeah, right, but you ain't. Yes. This is a 1X. It's a little bit baggy. I've actually already worn this, actually with these jeans. And what I did not like about it, I'm just gonna be really honest. Ooh, now she's scratching in the whole wig wiggling. That's why they call it wig, because it wiggled. But I wore it with these jeans, and every time I sat down, this part would go up and up and up and up. And I was like, I don't like that. So I probably should have sized down a little bit. And if you really like paying attention, it's this much like extra space when I pull it down. So like it's just a lot. It's for somebody who got a big old nasty booty. And I ain't got a big old nasty booty. I just got a regular little small tinky winky booty. You know what I'm saying? I don't got all that big booty stuff. So, but yeah, this is her. Y'all know me. I will take this wig off in a minute because it's hot. HOTTTT. Hot, honey. Now, don't get it twisted. She ain't bald now. She has hair. She just don't be feeling like doing nothing to it when it comes to the videos. So she just be throwing it in a little quick little bun, little ponytail, and throwing on a wig. See, look. This is really how my hair will be wearing this outfit. I'm not even finna cap to you. I'll be there, put it up in a nice little bunny bun. Boom. With my jeans. And I will be cute. It's too hot for all that hair on my head. I don't have time. It's too hot. Y'all, I'm about to get on out of here. These glasses is back on. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, all that doom, all that doom. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh Lord, I done turned around my booty. All that boom, 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 boom. All that doom. If you're watching Nella Ray, say hey.